Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to experiment with different ad formats. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in selecting, creating, and testing different Facebook ad formats to effectively reach your target audience, capture their attention, and drive results for your business. Section 1. Understanding Facebook ad formats. Facebook offers a variety of ad formats to suit different marketing objectives and creative approaches. Image ads, simple and effective ads that feature a single image accompanied by text and a call to action. Video ads, engaging and captivating ads that use video content to showcase products, services, or brand stories. Carousel ads, interactive ads that allow you to showcase multiple images or videos within a single ad unit. Stories ads, appealing and ephemeral ads that appear within users' Facebook Stories feed. Collection ads, visually appealing ads that showcase multiple products from your catalog, allowing users to easily browse and explore items. Section 2. Selecting the right ad formats. Choosing the right ad formats depends on your marketing goals, target audience, and creative assets. Awareness goals. Use image ads, video ads, or carousel ads to generate brand awareness and introduce your products or services to a wider audience. Consideration goals. Use carousel ads, collection ads, or stories ads to showcase multiple products, features, or benefits, encouraging further consideration and exploration. Conversion goals. Use image ads, video ads, or carousel ads with strong calls to action to drive immediate conversions, such as purchases or sign-ups. Audience preferences. Consider your target audience's preferences and online behavior. Video ads may be more engaging for younger audiences, while image ads may be more effective for older demographics. Creative assets. Utilize the ad formats that best suit your creative assets. If you have high-quality video content, video ads are a natural choice. If you have a strong product catalog, collection ads are ideal. Section 3. Creating effective Facebook ads. Regardless of the ad format you choose, follow these tips for creating effective Facebook ads. Clear and compelling headlines. Grab attention with clear, concise, and compelling headlines that highlight the key message of your ad. Engaging ad copy. Craft engaging and persuasive ad copy that resonates with your target audience and encourages action. Eye-catching visuals. Use high-quality, eye-catching visuals that are relevant to your ad's message and stand out in the cluttered newsfeed. Strong call to action. Include a clear and strong call to action that tells users what you want them to do, such as shop now, learn more, or sign up. Section 4. Testing different ad formats. A/B testing is crucial for determining which ad formats perform best for your specific marketing objectives. Choose variables to test. Select 2 or more ad formats to test, such as image ads versus video ads or carousel ads versus collection ads. Create test variations. Develop ad variations for each format, ensuring they have consistent messaging and creative elements. Set up A/B tests. Utilize Facebook Ads Manager's experimentation tool to create A/B tests, assigning test groups and specifying the test duration. Monitor performance. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition to compare the effectiveness of each ad format. Analyze results. Once the test reaches statistical significance, analyze the results to determine which ad format performed better. Implement winning format. Implement the winning ad format into your marketing campaigns, replacing the less effective format. By understanding Facebook's ad formats, selecting the right ones for your goals, creating effective ads, and testing different formats, you can leverage Facebook's advertising platform to reach your target audience, capture their attention, and drive results for your business. Remember, experimenting with different ad formats is an ongoing process that allows you to continuously optimize your campaigns and achieve your marketing objectives.